Hello everyone. Workflows is an agent that automate tasks like sending emails and reminders, managing calendars, and sharing team updates using natural language. Just describe your task in natural language and it creates workflow for you. Please notice Frontier in front of workflows. Frontier is basically Microsoft early access program for its new AI features in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Please note that Workflows agent is only available in Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you have only web option, means you have free Microsoft Copilot. If you have work tab, it means you have Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is paid one. You will see workflows agent here. In case it's not available here, you need to talk to your admin. So we'll see how admin will enable this agent. So first of all, you will find Copilot Frontier. It should be enabled for your organization. Apart from this, go to agents and look for the workflows agent. We have already deployed it, but you need to deploy if it's not deployed already. Once it's deployed over here, users can see workflows agent here. So how it works basically, just write anything in natural language and your workflow is ready. Let's use one of this prompt, modify a little bit and run the agent. So based on prompt, workflow agent creating flow for us, setting up trigger, acting on emails, using AI prompt for the action. It also made required connections. Let me save this one. Let's test this flow now. Let me do it manually now, testing purpose. You can see the things happening in background. And we got the output on our Teams chat. You can see that without writing any code or designing any flow, we are able to create a flow for us with the help of workflow agent. Let's see one more example which involves SharePoint. So I have this finance list in my SharePoint and I have to work with this list with the help of flows. Let me create new flow. Please read finance list from SharePoint and send message to me on Teams every day, maybe 10 a.m. Let's pass on this to flow. So we're able to make connection to SharePoint, Teams and AI actions. Let's save it and test it. Okay, we got the response. You also notice that you can turn off your flows or delete from here. There are some limitations to workflows agent. As of now, you can only connect to Microsoft services like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint Planner. If you want to communicate to non-Microsoft services, still you have to use Power Automate. The workflows agent is built on same infrastructure that powers agent flows in the full Copilot Studio experience. Thank you.